Are you an aspiring Python programmer, a student, or a data science enthusiast looking for an interactive way to learn and practice Python 3, enhanced with AI assistance, directly on your iPhone or iPad? Python 3 Charm, AI learning, or similar apps, aims to provide a comprehensive mobile learning environment for the popular programming language. I've found these apps incredibly useful for grasping Python fundamentals, working through coding challenges, and getting immediate feedback or explanations from integrated AI tools, all on the go. They typically offer features like an interactive code editor, a console for running scripts, syntax highlighting, and AI-powered explanations, code generation, or debugging hints. However, the effectiveness and depth of the AI learning component can vary significantly depending on the app's underlying AI model and implementation. While AI can offer great assistance, it should supplement, not replace, fundamental learning and critical thinking. The app might have limitations on installing external Python packages via pip or handling very complex projects due to iOS sandbox constraints. Many feature-rich versions of these apps are premium, requiring a one-time purchase or subscription for full access to all lessons, advanced AI features, or cloud synchronization. Despite these considerations, for its core promise of bringing an AI-enhanced Python 3 learning and coding experience to your mobile device, Python 3 Charm AI learning is a valuable and highly recommended tool. What's your thought?